have a very, very nice, unique Impala. These were really nice cars back in the day, still really nice now. It does attract a lot of attention. It's beautiful, actually. Everything's nice on this car. This car came in, as you guys know, the owner wanted to put, you know, like a nice original Impala look on it to make it look like it should look. So that's what we did. We had to customize a lot of stuff to make it work. We did that. We changed our brake system to make it all work. So we're just on a test drive, make sure everything's okay. There's no touching anywhere, so it's perfect. We did smaller rotors, calipers, pads all around to make sure everything works right. We also fixed a few leaks on the car that were coolant leaks and also oil leaks on the vehicle. The car is beautiful. It drives like a dream, actually. It's so smooth. I love it. So I'm just gonna go on a test drive and right back to RDBLA. Actually a big fan of this car. You have to respect this kind of car. You know, this is a kind of car that has a lot of class to it. It's really fun to drive. If I had a choice and they gave me a $50,000 limit to purchase in a brand new car or take this, I would definitely grab this one. It's a no-brainer for me. This has more value for me than a new car, especially nowadays with all these new stuff that's all put in, technology and stuff. This is beautiful. So this is like a legend here, and everybody loves it.
Hey. I'm not scared. Hey. Oh my god! Huh? You dropped the mustard over here.
Mustard over here? Stop it, man, stop it. I'm the one, you got 6-7 people.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, you shoot back. I'm the one, you got 6-7.
You know what?
Are you happy?
Nothing.
Hit in the head. This
is our video editor. Bro, but everybody on YouTube clicking the button and just pausing it.
And then pause it, and then that's how we lose. Let me show you what the problem is, Echo. The problem is this guy.
He's gonna edit himself out.
No, he's not. He's gonna. That's gonna be click. That's gonna be the thing. Picture. Follow me.
So we are in this new 2020 Corvette C8. You guys have seen this thing on many YouTube channels, but this is a customer's car and we're gonna be doing a ton of work to it. He actually has another one coming. This one is gonna be for his wife. He's gonna go extra hard on his, but this one for now, we're gonna be doing some little stuff to it. We're gonna be doing an exhaust system. We're gonna be lowering it, actually using air suspension. It's got 4G auto wheels already. We're also going to be installing the high wing on it. This is that Z51, but it does not have the high wing. So we ordered the high wing, we're gonna put that on there too. Customer is actively pursuing body kits for it, but there's not much out there. His other one though is gonna be a lot of work. He wants to do twin turbo, all kinds of stuff. Initial thoughts, honestly, I had one come in a few weeks ago for a tint job, nothing major, and it was black. It was an all black one, and it was honestly very impressive looking. I really liked it in black, and now this thing in white is honestly even more impressive. The white is a beautiful color on this, and the interior is bonkers. I mean, that's my favorite part for sure, is the interior. It's got this really awesome blue color with navy blue. Actually, it's not black, so it's navy blue and a lighter blue. It's very driver oriented. All right, so as you guys know, we're on Sunset Boulevard. Our shop is centrally located in LA. The protest goes by our shop. It is going back right now. It's going to be going passing our shop. We were just out doing some rolling shots with the C8 and we happened to stumble upon the protest. We're back on the way to the shop. Really liking the C8, honestly. When they come out with the Z06 version or whatever, it's going to be insane.
You guys are looking at a Gladiator right here. So I don't know, what do you guys think about this? Some people like it, some people don't. I think it's pretty cool, it's different. It's just in here for a simple, quick headlight change. We're just gonna put some nicer headlights on it. Simple, just plug in. That's all we're gonna do right now, but I'm sure down the line we'll do something to this thing. Maybe wrap it or something. Yeah, so we're all done. This was a quick finish. I don't know, this thing feels a little weird to me. Or I just feel weird in it. There's just too much going on in this thing. Pretty hard to see out of, actually. Because there's all kinds of stuff all over the place, blocking everything. So, but I guess the owner likes it. That's all that matters.
Alright guys, right here is the backside of a Royce Cullinan front grille. As you can see, all these slits individually wrapped. We are putting them all back on right now, one by one. This is the front side right there. It's got the camera. All this is wrapped, okay? So not painted, it's fully reversible. It does not chip like paint does. So really, really dope that we could wrap it. We could wrap it any color too, which is sick. This is gonna go on that satin black Cullinan right now. Gloss black with a satin black Cullinan. No aftermarket wheels, it's gonna be on stock wheels. So just a wrap, and it's gonna look really, really nice. Satin black Cullinan done. We've done that before. No aftermarket mods, literally, except for the wrap. We blacked out the rest of the vehicle, so all the chrome trims are gloss black, including the wheels. The rest of the vehicle is satin black. Tint job as well, and the car looks amazing. That's all that car really needs, honestly. Now on to the really important issue. LA protest riots going on. There's a lot of peaceful protests, which we agree with, and then there's all the looting and rioting, which is terrible for all of us small business owners. We are closing early today on a Monday, which is not good for us. We moved all the cars. This is the most empty this lot has ever been. We have all the cars secure. It's unfortunate that we have to do that, but it is what it is. Now we're gonna be protecting the property, and hopefully nothing crazy happens. Right now we have 4 helicopters in our area. They're on Hollywood and Highland, which is that whole tourist area. They're marching there. They're marching down the street over there. So far nothing has happened really here, but we don't know what's gonna happen next. So hopefully everything turns out good.
So try to like stay this way.
We're gonna control right now. They throw one Molotov at you and it's all burning up.
What's going on here? Go home. I love you guys.